All right, this is lesson 2-10. If you have your math journal, it's page 54. If not, you guys can either do this on a scratch piece of paper or write this on your template when you are finished watching the video. Okay, exploring even and odd patterns with arrays. Ooh, pay attention to that even and the odd. Think about that as we're working. Amanda wants 2 rows of tomato plants in her garden. Make sketches to show your thinking. That means draw pictures. Can Amanda make an array with 2 equal rows if she has? So we need 2 rows for each. And we need to figure out, can she or can she not do that? If she has 9 tomato plants, could she make 2 rows? If she has 12 tomato plants, could she make rows? If she has 14 tomato plants, could she make 2 rows? Or if she has 15 tomato plants, could she make 2 rows? Imagine these are all different gardens. Could she make them with 2 equal rows? Well, let's say I make this row 1 and this row 2, and I'll make arrays. So I'll do circles. 9. Well, I'm going to put 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I like how they're all even so far, but look at 9. Ugh, I have 1 extra or 1 left over. What do we call that in math when we have an extra one left? We have a remainder in one of the rows. So, can Amanda make arrays with 2 equal rows if she had to? Not if she has 9 tomato plants. No, she can't make 2 equal rows. If they were equal, they would all have the same number in them, but this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes sense because 5 plus 4 equals 9. Nope, this one would not work. Think about what you know about the number 9. Remember exploring even and odd patterns. Think of what kind of number 9 is. I want you guys to go ahead and try 12, 14, and 15. Maybe you know the answer without even having to draw out the pictures, and that's okay. I want you to put me on pause, write your answers, or get an idea down, and then unpause me when you have them. All right, go ahead. Okay, if you are back, you have tried these all on your own, independently. Okay, let's look. 12 tomato plants, yes or no? It would be a yes, because remember, making 2 rows is like splitting it in half. What would be half of 12? 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, oopsie daisy, 5, 6, and then I would just need 6 on the bottom because 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 12 is a what kind of number? I hope you've been thinking about that, right? This is like a fact pair. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Yes, I could split that evenly. Yes, because what is half of 14? This row would have 7, and this row would also have 7 because 7 plus 7 is 14. I would have the same amount. What about 15? Wah, wah, wah. I cannot split 15 in half because it ends with a 5, because 5 is a what kind of number? If you said 15 is an odd number, you were correct. And 14 was even, and 12 was even. And look, the even numbers were yeses. You can split even numbers in half. Can you split odd numbers in half? No, you cannot. So what do you notice about the number of plants that could be planted in arrays? Oh, we did some beautiful arrays, right? There's dots and organized rows. What do you notice about the numbers of plants that could be planted in arrays with 2 equal rows? What did you notice about these numbers? What did you notice about 15 or 14 or 12 or 9? What do you notice about the numbers of the plants that could not be planted in the arrays with 2 equal rows? So, first question is, what did you notice about 12 and 14 that could be split into 2 rows? And then what did you notice about 9 and 15 that could not be put in equal rows? Remember, we talked about odds and evens, but also we talked about there being equal numbers in each rows, or some having extras or leftovers, which we call, what is that again that starts with an R? Remainders. I want you to write 2 sentences. Remember, your sentences start with a capital letter. That's our capital letter sign, and they end with a period. I want you to write 2 sentences because there's 2 questions. what? There's 2 questions. What do you notice about the numbers of plants in arrays with 2 equal rows? So the ones that could, that's question 1. And what did you notice about the numbers of plants that could not be planted in arrays with 2 equal rows? Okay, answer those. Go on to the next video.